Someone before you walked away. The cash was still there. You looked around. No one came back. You took it. Here's the shocking truth. In Singapore, that simple act can land you in serious trouble. ATMs are everywhere in Singapore. We use them at coffee shops, malls, MRT stations, even downstairs at the void deck. And every now and then, it happens. Someone withdraws money, gets distracted by a phone call, a child, or a queue behind them, and walks away without taking the cash. The notes remain neatly stacked at the tray, waiting for the next person. For many people, the thought process is fast. The money is already out. The person is gone. The bank made a mistake. Or worse, finders keepers. Some even tell themselves they are helping, preventing someone else from taking it. But under Singapore law, that moment of hesitation can carry heavy consequences. Here is the key point many people do not realize. Money left behind at an ATM does not become free money. It does not become unclaimed property. And it does not belong to the bank either. The cash still legally belongs to the person who withdrew it. Taking it, knowing it is not yours, can be treated as a dishonest act. In Singapore, intention alone does not save you. Saying you plan to return it later, or that you were confused, or that you thought the bank would not care, does not automatically protect you. What matters is whether you took something that you knew was not yours, and whether you took proper and immediate steps to return it. This is where many people panic. ATMs are among the most heavily monitored machines in the country. There are cameras capturing your face, your timing, your actions, and the sequence of events before and after the withdrawal. Banks can trace exactly who withdrew the money, how much was withdrawn, and when it happened. Once a report is made, it is usually very clear what happened. Some cases start quietly. A person realizes later that the cash is missing. They contact the bank. The bank checks the footage. The next person in line becomes the focus. Police get involved. What started as a moment of temptation can turn into a criminal investigation. Many Singaporeans are shocked when they hear this, because it feels harsh. There was no force. No threat. No breaking in. Just a mistake by someone else. But the law does not work on feelings. It works on ownership and honesty. Taking money you know is not yours, without permission, can amount to a theft-related offense. There is also a big misunderstanding about ATMs retracting cash automatically. While some machines do retract money after a short time, not all do so immediately. And even if the machine fails to pull the cash back, that failure does not transfer ownership to the next person. So what is the safest thing to do if you see cash left behind at an ATM in Singapore? Do not take it. Step away and inform the bank staff if the branch is open. Call the hotline number on the machine. If you already picked it up without thinking, return it immediately and report it as soon as possible. Delay can make things much worse. This is why such cases keep appearing in court news. Not because the amount was huge, but because the action crossed a clear legal line. Here is the question that divides many Singaporeans. If you were standing there, the cash was right in front of you, and no one was around, what would you honestly do? If you found this useful, share it with someone who uses ATMs every day. Like this video, subscribe to 2230, and stay with us as we uncover more everyday situations in Singapore that look harmless, but can carry serious legal consequences.